In this section, I'll go over the top 5 lessons learned from implementing Fabric. Effective capacity planning in Microsoft Fabric begins by benchmarking current workloads, whether it's on-premises or cloud, using tools like the Fabric Capacity Estimator. This ensures that you right-size capacity to balance performance and cost, avoiding over or under provisioning. Regular reviews and adjustments of capacity as usage evolves is critical. Note that the F-SKU don't support auto-scaling like P-SKUs, and Copilot was initially available only on F64 and higher SKUs, so there's quite a few nuances to keep in mind. Understanding these limitations prevents surprises. For cost savings, purchase premium reserved instances, especially F-SKUs, which offer up to a 30% discount compared to pay-as-you-go pricing. This is ideal for predictable workloads and helps budget better. Designing Microsoft Fabric workspaces efficiently is critical to enabling scalable, manageable, and secure data environments aligned with business goals. First, structure your workspaces by domain or department to reflect business functions and support domain-based data product ownership aligned with the data mesh paradigm. This ensures clarity around ownership, accountability, and accelerates domain-level innovation. Second, be mindful that once workspaces are created, migrating to a different structure is complex and time-consuming. It often introduces redundancies in reporting and data sets, so early collaboration and deep partnership with business stakeholders is essential to getting the design right from the beginning. Third, to deliver targeted content securely to different user groups, leverage Power BI apps with audience targeting. Since each workspace supports only one Power BI app, this limitation must be factored into your workspace design to optimize content distribution and access management. Finally, standardize workspace naming conventions, access controls, and governance practices. This standardization is crucial for scaling your deployment, maintaining clarity across teams, and enforcing consistent security and compliance policies. In summary, efficient workspace design in Microsoft Fabric balances domain alignment, stakeholder collaboration, secure targeted content delivery, and disciplined governance to build a scalable, clear, and secure data environment. In Microsoft Fabric, successful platform management relies on a suite of powerful tools and clear governance to ensure security, efficiency, and scalability. The Capacity Metrics app helps monitor resource usage, spot trends, and proactively manage capacity. Clear admin roles assign responsibilities to maintain secure and organized administration, while the admin portal provides a centralized dashboard for seamless oversight and quick issue resolution. Robust permission levels offer granular control across multiple layers, from tenant and capacity to domain, workspace, individual items like files, and even row and column levels, ensuring precise data security. Equally important are Fabric's governance tools, like sensitivity labels and endorsements, which help classify data, enforce policies consistently, and promote trusted, high-quality content across the organization. By effectively combining these tools with disciplined governance practices, organizations can build a secure, compliant, and well-managed Fabric environment that scales with confidence and supports trusted analytics. Microsoft Fabric offers a robust suite of native features designed to optimize performance across its analytics ecosystem, from Power BI to Lakehouse and Spark environments. Starting with Power BI, Direct Lake enables live reporting on Lakehouse data without the need for data movement, ensuring real-time insights. XMLA endpoints provide enterprise-grade connectivity and automation capabilities, allowing seamless integration with enterprise tools for dataset and model management. The use of PBIT and PBIP file formats facilitates easy sharing, version control, and consistent deployment of Power BI projects and templates. Additionally, Semantic Link orchestrates and monitors semantic model refreshes programmatically, automating dependency tracking and streamlining workflows to reduce manual effort and improve refresh performance and system responsiveness. In the warehouse, automatic partitioning optimizes data storage and query efficiency with minimal manual tuning, while resource optimization dynamically manages compute capacity to deliver cost-effective analytics at scale. For the lakehouse, smart caching accelerates query speed on frequently accessed datasets. Shortcuts simplify dataset accessibility by virtually linking data across workspaces, and mirroring ensures high availability and near real-time data synchronization for operational workloads. When it comes to Spark, Fabric supports high concurrency for many parallel users and jobs, and dynamic allocation automatically scales resources to handle workload spikes. Custom environments and custom Spark pools provide tailored runtime configurations and dedicated resources to meet diverse analytics and machine learning demands. Finally, the native execution engine boosts backend data processing on Lakehouse infrastructure, delivering up to 4 times faster query execution at no additional cost. Combined, these features enable Fabric users to achieve high performance, scalability, and efficient resource use across analytics workspaces and workloads, ensuring fast, reliable, and cost-effective data insights. As with any evolving analytics platform, it's essential to stay aware of current limitations in Microsoft Fabric, especially when using features in public preview or those under rapid development. These preview features can offer early access to cutting-edge capabilities, but may change or present unforeseen gaps. Before rolling out Fabric solutions into production, thoroughly test critical workloads and integrations in your environment. This proactive approach helps identify any gaps, reliability issues, or workarounds you might need, minimizing downstream surprises and business risks. Finally, actively engage with Microsoft's product roadmap and community forums. Staying connected helps you anticipate feature updates, plan for changes, and align your deployment strategy with the latest platform direction. This ongoing engagement ensures you're ready to adapt quickly as the platform matures and new limitations or capabilities emerge. In summary, a disciplined approach, staying informed, testing thoroughly, and engaging with Microsoft roadmap will help you navigate Fabric's evolving feature set and drive successful, future-proof implementations.